Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today we're going to launch an EC2 instance to create a WordPress web server, and we'll be using the AWS management console. So to get there, type in aws.amazon.com. So we want this is what we're interested in. Just click on this link. It will redirect you to this AWS homepage. So we want to navigate to the AWS management console, and to get there, you come to the My Account tab, click on AWS management console, which will direct you to this page. Once you're here, go to the search bar, type in EC2 because we want the EC2 service. So once we're here, you'll be redirected to this dashboard once again. And on the left side of your screen, we will see that there is the instances tab. So click on it, then click on the first one, which is the instances, because here we want to launch an instance. So once you're here in this page, click on the orange button, the launch instances button. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be redirected to this page once again. So this is the launch an instance page, and it says that Amazon EC2 allows you to create virtual machines or instances that run on the AWS cloud. Quickly get started by following the simple steps below. So we'll do the naming, and we can name this as a WordPress test. Then you can scroll down below to this section, which is the Amazon machine image section, and it says that an AMI is a template that contains the software configuration required to launch your instance. So search or browse for AMIs if you don't see what you're looking for below. So here in the recommended section, we have Amazon Linux, macOS, Ubuntu, Windows. If you're not interested in that, that's not what we want. What we want is the WordPress AMI. So we will go to the AWS marketplace to find what we're looking for. What we're looking for is the WordPress by Bitnami AMI, I believe. So we'll have to search for it. Search for an AMI by entering a search term. So we'll type in WordPress, click on enter, and then here are the recommended options. Here are the results, 419 results. What we are interested in is WordPress certified by Bitnami and automatic. So we'll click on that link, and we're on the free tier. Remember, we're here for testing purposes, for knowledge purposes. So we'll just click on subscribe now button. Don't worry, you'll not be charged for this. Just do as you're required to do. So once you've done that, we can see that we have the name of that service, we have the description of the package, the image ID. When you come to the instance type section, it's automatically selected on the free tier eligible one, which is the T3.micro. So the next we check on the key pair login. You can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. So you can create a key pair now, but I won't do it now. I'll come back to it later. There's the network settings. On the network settings, you make sure that the auto assign public IP is on enable mode. Okay, the public IP address, the public IP is available. Make sure that it's available. Configure storage section. You can increase or decrease, but we'll leave it at that. On the advanced details, just leave everything at default for now. So once all that is to be set is set, we can click on launch instance. When you click on it, you will realize that it tells you that we noticed that you didn't select a key pair. If you want to be able to connect to your instance, it is recommended for you to create one or select an existing one. So I'd already created a key pair in a previous demonstration and on a previous trial on my own. So I'll just show you how to create a new key pair. I will not use the existing one. So to create a new key pair is simple. Just click on that tab. Then enter key pair name. So we can give it like word key pair. We can name it like that. Okay. Word key pair. Then leave it at the default on the RSA encrypted private and public key pair. Then at the key file format, leave it at that .pem. Then click on launch instance. When you click on that button, you will realize automatically that a key pair has been downloaded automatically, and simultaneously we have a successful initiation launch of our instances. So we'll come to this, we'll scroll down below, then click on the view all instances button. We can just ignore the feedback for EC2 launch an instance, because that's not what we're interested in. Not interested in the feedback, we're interested in this. So once you're here on this page, just click on the refresh button. Then you will realize that yeah, here's the list of your instance. So the one you just created right now is the WordPress test, and here's the instance ID. Its state is running. There is the type. The status check, it's initializing. There is the availability zone, whatever, public IPv4 DNS, all that information that is necessary and relevant to you. So what we want here, we want the public IPv4 address. We simply want the address that when we input on our search bar in Google, it will redirect us to the WordPress website. So you can click on the instance ID to come to these details, and you notice here is the public IPv4 address. This is what we're interested in. So you click on it, copy it, click on this icon to copy it, come to a new tab, then paste and hit enter. So when you do that, you will realize that you're redirected to the WordPress site. And you know that via the WordPress logo. Here's the logo, is the website with its home page and its details, respective details. And we can see that this site is designed with WordPress. So what if you want to configure this site? How are you able to configure this site? We need details. We need the admin access to be able to configure this WordPress site. So to do that, you come here to this section up top, type /admin, hit enter. You'll be redirected to this page. Is the username user login page. But remember, we do not have a username or password for this site. We don't know we did not set it up. So we have to go back to our instant details to be able to get the username information and the password information to fill it in here and be able to log into this site so that you're able to configure it. So when you go back to the instant details tab, come and click on actions, scroll down to monitor and troubleshoot, then we get system log. So this system log is supposed to give us the details that we require. That is for the username and for the password. So it will take some time. Let me try and close that site, that tab, then refresh. So it usually takes a couple of minutes, I think, to generate these logs. So I'll pause the video for now. Once the logs have appeared, I will continue with the video. Yeah, so after waiting for like 5 minutes, the logs have finally generated. So you just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll, and you get to this section, setting Bitnami application password to this, and the default application username is this. So copy this password within the quotations. Once you've copied it, by pressing Ctrl C, you go back up, copy that address, go to a new tab, paste it, write in /admin, come in and type the username, which is user by default, then paste the password. Where is the password? The password is on the log. Where the log, just go back to actions, monitor and troubleshoot, get system log, scroll up, up. Here's the password. Copy, Control C, come back here, Control paste, confirm that is the password. Click on login. And once that is done, welcome to WordPress. So when you're in WordPress, you can add new media files, add new pages, you can add new posts, add new plugins, change your appearance. And that is that. That is how you launch an EC2 instance to create a WordPress web server site using the AWS management console. So I'll leave it at that and end the video. So yeah, stop recording.